Like to offer some introductory remarks. Uh, all of you are aware, CCTV cameras are an integral part of the police force, and you know, it has become imperative part of the police department. And you know, all Hyderabad city has got quite a few lakhs of cameras, and we are on the path of expanding the network of community CCTV cameras in Hyderabad. So this has been the consistent drive from our CP and as well as our DGP sir. So as part of the drive to expand the network of community CCTV cameras in Hyderabad city, all the citizens of Central Zone, they have come forward, they have contributed in a big way, and shown certain classic example of public and police partnership. Without your support, the expansion of 250 CCTV cameras would not have been possible. All our inspectors have approached different individuals as well as corporate undertakings, and they were magnanimous enough to offer the financial contribution in difficult times of COVID-19. You know how the funds crunch is there, where people hardly have any liquid cash with them. Despite the difficult times and the daunting task, the managements and the individuals and the people who have set up their establishments and shops in Central Zone area have come forward in a big way and contributed 44 lakhs, 44.5 lakhs. With the help of the contribution given by all the citizens of Central Zone, we have been able to set up these 250 cameras in a span of last 4 months. You know the advantage of CCTV cameras, I don't have to tell all that, how useful it is to prevent crime, how useful it is to detect a crime. What is the deterrence effect it has got? All of us go to a shopping mall. When you are know that you are being watched, when you know that you are under electronic surveillance, we are conscious of our movements and our conscious of our conduct and behavior. So the advantage of electronic surveillance is immense. And there are a lot of latest developments in the CCTV technology like facial recognition software and automatic number plate recognition. All these are value additions to the already existing network of CCTV cameras. I will not go into all that. Central Zone, there are about 1706 community CCTV cameras. With the addition of 250 these new cameras, the number will swell to 1956. In addition to it, there is a program called Name Saitam program, which all of you are aware. మీ షాప్స్లలో మీ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్మెంట్స్లో కూడా మీ ఇళ్లలో మీ చిన్న చిన్న లేన్స్ బై లేన్స్లో కూడా మీరు కమ్యూనిటీ మీ ఫ్రంట్ యార్డ్ మీ బ్యాక్ యార్డ్ మీ యొక్క పార్కింగ్ లాట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మీరు కవర్ చేసుకుంటూ కమ్యూనిటీ అపార్ట్మెంట్స్లో నేను సైతం కెమెరాస్ 61,350 కెమెరాస్ మన జోన్లో ఉన్నాయి. సో బిఫోర్ ఐ కంక్లూడ్ మై అడ్రస్, I would only want to tell you one thing, how they are useful, how the network of community CCTV cameras has been helpful in enhancing the police delivery. And recently, all of you are aware, one child of 2 years was kidnapped in Abbott's police station limits. That child was tracked back up to Nasik district of Maharashtra. All of you have seen CP sir has held a press briefing, and sir has explained elaborately how the network of CCTV cameras has been able to help police in tracking the criminal and retrieving the child of 2 years. I am telling you, but for the CCTV cameras, we would not have been successful in cracking that case. 2 సంవత్సరాల బాబుని నాసిక్ తీసుకెళ్లి ఒక ఇంట్లో ఒక కుగ్రామంలో ఉన్న బాబుని మనం పట్టుకోగలిగామంటే థ్యాంక్స్ టు CCTV cameras network and assiduous efforts of the police department. One final word from me, చాలా మంది షాప్స్లలో వాళ్ళ యొక్క CCTV cameras పెడుతున్నారు, కానీ వాటిని షాపింగ్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్మెంట్ మీరు క్లోజ్ చేసే సమయంలో పవర్ సేవింగ్ కోసమని ఆఫ్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇఫ్ దర్ ఇస్ ద ఇన్సిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ బర్గ్లరీ, ఇఫ్ దర్ ఇస్ ద ఇన్సిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ హౌస్ బ్రేకింగ్, you will not be getting the image of the offender. So I request you to keep this in mind. CCTV advantage, leave alone prevention of crime and detection of crime. Innocence of a person is also important. No innocent shall be brought before a court without his complicity being established. సో చాలా సందర్భాల్లో అమాయకులు కూడా ఒక్కోసారి పోలీసులో సరైన సమాచారం లేక ఒక నేరంలో 10 మంది ఉంటే అందరినీ పిలిపించి మాట్లాడడం, రియల్ అఫెండర్ని ఒక్కోసారి గుర్తించకపోవడం జరుగుతుంటుంది. కానీ అదే సీసీటీవీ కెమెరాస్ ఉంటే మాత్రం ఐఎమ్ షూర్ నో ఇన్నోసెంట్ విల్ బి బిహైండ్ ద బార్స్. He will not be put to unnecessary harassment by the police. Example, 10 people go together. In the process, they engage in a confrontation with a person. Only 1 or 2 fellows might, out of fear of rage and out of fury, he might inflict some injury to that fellow. But what happens in the absence of CCTV footage, in the absence of clear identity of the offender, police call all the 10 people. They'll start questioning them, they start interrogating them. And in the process, some may become victims of interrogation, some may become victims of harassment. So with the help of CCTV cameras, not only catching the offender, but also the innocence of an individual gets established beyond doubt. So community is well aware of all these facts. అందుకోసం మీరు అందరూ ముందుకు వచ్చారు, మీ అందరూ మంచి సహకారం మాకు ఇచ్చారు. ఒక క్లాసిక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కమ్యూనిటీ అండ్ పోలీస్ పార్ట్నర్షిప్కి మీరు ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేశారు. దీని అందరికీ నా తరఫున, మా సిపి గారి తరఫున, హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ పోలీస్ తరఫున హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తూ ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి నేను నాంది పలుకుతున్నాను. Now I request our IT DSP Raja Venkatreddy to screen a short film so that about highlighting the utility of the CCTV cameras, how they have been instrumental in aiding and helping the police in cracking different crimes. Raja Venkatreddy.